Hello everyone. I've been waiting for my turn desperately. Firstly, I would like to thank Akbar uncle, Sanjay uncle, Rekha auntie, and Ashwini ma'am. Because of them, I've understood Healy better. And actually, I've suffered from psoriasis since past 8 years, and it was a major one everywhere on my scalp, my hair, my hands, my back, every part of the body basically. And it was so worst that I had almost kept myself in house arrest. I didn't like meeting people, didn't like socializing, because there were incidents where when I meet people, I interact and shake hands, they were hesitant. They used to take back their hand thinking, it's contagious and it will, they'll also get it. So that, I used to come home crying, that people don't like to meet me, they try to stay away. So that was creating more and more stress in me. And whenever I went to any doctor, the major fact they say psoriasis is because of stress and it's an autoimmune disease. So reduce your stress and you'll be fine. But that's not possible with any sort of medication. I tried homeopathy, allopathy, Ayurveda, what not. You name it, and I would have tried it in 8 years. Not only in Hyderabad, I went to doctors in Bangalore, Chennai, Mumbai, everywhere. Nothing helped. I had lost hope of living also, because I didn't want to live like this. Being a girl, obviously you're conscious about your looks, the way how you present yourself. So I didn't want to live until last year. And then I met Akbar uncle, Sanjay uncle, and they pushed me towards Healy. It took a lot of time for them to convince me to buy this product because it was not an easy thing. It was a big amount. But then my husband supported me. He's like, सब कुछ तो कर लिया है, अभी ये लोग बोल रहे हैं इसमें हो जाएगा, so why not give it a try? So when I bought it, I was very hesitant कि चलो ठीक है देखेंगे हुआ तो हुआ. But I'm amazed to see the results in just 3 months. I've just completed my 90 days of using Healy, and I'm proud to show my palms. Earlier, there were cuts everywhere. It used to peel like this, and today it's almost clear. Yeah, there are a few marks, but I'm sure this would also go. So I'm very happy with the product, and I would love to help others who are suffering not only from psoriasis and whichever other diseases. Only if they experience it, only if they use this product, they will understand, like how I did. Until then, I had not believed the product, nor did I understood the technology, what it uses. All I wanted is just heal myself, and I've got that. And I'm very happy, and I'm very, grateful to all these people who introduced me to Healy. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Munira ji. You brought tears in everybody's eyes, and trust me, we were looking out for no testimony of cirrhosis. And here is the picture. Shwini, thank you so much for sharing of how her hand looked before and now. I can really understand, truly understand how you feel because I have seen my neighbor, my two neighbors, literally under house arrest at all the time.